Look at the price I pay on this one. Look at that. Per gallon. Oh, it's ridiculous. I'm in Northern California. And we still pay a lot. And that's 16 cents off. Alright, we're heading grocery shopping. Woohoo. Very enthusiastic. You say it at the same time as me? Say woo! Woo! Anyway, gonna go some Lego shopping too at the same time and some other stuff. So, see you there. We're at Target again. So I'll go in and then I'll be there in a second. Okay, I'm here at Target now, inside. And see if I can find what I was looking for. Actually, I think it's on the other side. It is. $39 for that. Let me get the Brian's Fast and Furious car. Oh, they do still have it. Right there. Let me get that one. And there was that little truck. I've been thinking about that little truck right there. I'm going to grab that too. And I think that's it for me today. So, just a couple things. So, I'll see you later. Alright, now I'm here at Walmart. So, I'm going to pick up that house that I saw yesterday. And it's dark out here. That's why my camera won't focus around here. So, can't see that that's Walmart, but it is. So, I'll see when I get in there. Never seen a Walmart so dead. Ain't nobody here. That's how it is in this town. There's just nobody here. So, heading over to Lego. There they are. See if they have that house here. Yeah, looks like they got a few of them. Oh no, it went. See, there's right there. Looks like it'd be pretty cool. Got 3 different ones you can build. So I'm going to grab that. My phone cut me off. Oh, looks like, oh, they got Groot. Looks like Target had the other day. A couple Mario sets. But mostly friends like usual. They got base plates. They even have the 48 by 48 base plate. Don't see those around very much. Not here anyway. They don't have much of anything here. Oh, they even have the Viking ship that they had over there yesterday or last time. Car garage. I think I got a little bit more than what they had yesterday here. A couple more things. So, I think that's all I'm going to get. They got the Technic again. It looks like they only got one of them. I've got all 6, so. Just a couple of Star Wars. They even got the Friends Diner too, so.